Do you know the simplest way to stop problems on your farm, improve profit, and stop losses? It's not buying more birds or buying more feed. It's actually tracking your daily egg production. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how we track our eggs on the farm. Tap, could share and say hi everyone, welcome back to Pantten Farms. My name is Hawa. Here is why tracking your daily egg production is so important. You immediately see if your birds are laying less than expected, which happens. You can compare your production against your feed cost, so you know if your cost actually makes sense. It helps you plan instead of just being surprised. You would definitely know if your birds are getting sick because your production will reduce. And most importantly, it keeps your staff accountable, especially if you are managing from a distance. Here are things that you need to track on a daily basis. Now, when I say tracking doesn't necessarily have to be complicated. All you need is a simple chart or a record keeping sheet. So number one thing that you want to track is the number of eggs that you collected that day, the number of broken eggs that you got that day, the feed that you used for that day, and if you had any mortalities on that day. So those are like the basic records that you want to keep on a daily basis when you're tracking your eggs. With just these 4 things, you know your farm's performance on a daily basis. So the proper way to record on your farm is to have these examples that I'm about to share with you. So at Pantten Farm, we use a digital system. So I can check production even when I'm away, but I do also have a manual system on the farm, which is like a paper-based system. So if you don't have a digital system, you can easily use this example to track your eggs on a manual-based system, which is paper-based or notebook, for an example. So you have your date on top, and then you have your eggs, the number of eggs you collected, your number of broken eggs, the feed that you used for that day, and the number of mortalities, just like before. But this is just like exactly how you would do it. Now write it on the screen so you can see what I mean. At the end of the week, add it all up, calculate your total production, and compare it with the feed that you use. That's how you know if you're actually in profit or if you're actually in losses. So with this information right here on a daily basis that you're consistently putting in or writing down and then comparing it at the end of the week, that's how you would know if you're actually making profit. So don't just collect eggs, track them daily. It's the fastest way to see results, fix problems, and grow your profit. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more farming tips every week. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.